When you get started on the two sides of your saddle shoulder for the transom cardigan, the first thing you're going to want to do is pick up stitches. So I'm going to show you here on the left side. That side starts with half of the stitches on the needle, and then I'm just going to pick up along the edge here. Yours will look a little different because you will have a knit stitch on the edge here, but this was just a swatch initially, so it looks slightly different. When I'm picking up stitches, I come in one stitch from the edge, wrap the yarn around the needle, and then just hold the actual swatch, or the working fabric, and lift that over the needle like it's actually yarn, and then move into the next one. Wrap it around and lift it over. And you can continue like this, working into each gap along the side of your swatch. You will need to kind of keep an eye on how many stitches you need to pick up, because it's going to depend on your row gauge. So if your row gauge has changed a little, then it's going to look a small bit different as you work through here. But this is all you're going to work through to get to the end, and then you can get started on the next row of knitting. Once I've got a little bit done here, and I'm going to go back and do the other side, and then at that point I can show you how the short rows on a shoulder will work.